Optimizing Machine Creation Services (MCS) with XenServer. Before delving into the optimization techniques, let's first understand the architecture of XenServer. XenServer is a powerful hypervisor. It lets organizations easily create and manage virtual machines. Virtualization Platform Optimization. To optimize your XenServer virtual environment, tune your VMs for better performance. Hypervisor management can benefit Citrix Xen App and Xen Desktop. It allows for efficient remote desktop services and virtualization. A virtual desktop infrastructure (VDI) with XenServer can boost your IT systems. Best practices for machine creation services optimization. When configuring machine creation services with XenServer, focus on workload and IT efficiency. Best practices for optimizing XenServer can boost your VM's performance. They will also ensure a smooth desktop as a service experience. Enhancing VDI performance with XenServer. Optimizing XenServer and Citrix Hypervisor settings can boost VM performance. To improve the virtual desktop experience, manage desktop provisioning and automate VDI deployment. Securing your virtual environment. It's crucial to secure your virtual environment, along with optimizing performance. Tuning XenServer settings and optimizing VDI can improve VDI security. Deploying machine creation services with XenServer. To optimize machine creation services with XenServer, organizations should manage settings and ensure scalability. By using best practices for virtualization and infrastructure, organizations can efficiently manage and provision machines. Improving virtual machine performance can boost resource use and IT efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, to get peak virtualization performance, optimize machine creation services with XenServer.